Skratchworx.
I'm Mike, I'm from Numark, and I'm going to be showing you the Numark V7 itch controller. If you've used the NS7 or if you know about the NS7, it'll look pretty familiar, but now it's a single deck with the sound card on the back. Well, the outputs are on the back, the sound card's in the unit, and you have two sets of stereo outputs for controlling the left and right deck and itch. So here on the surface you have an A and B switch that allows you to toggle from the left and right deck in the software. So you could DJ all night off of one deck. So if I go ahead and I'll play, let's see, play this track right here, and then I'll go ahead and toggle over to deck A. It knows that that track on deck A in the software wasn't playing, so the motor stopped. So I'll go ahead and start that. So I have both outputs going into left and right channel on my mixer. Now the reason why I'm able to use this one is because there's a link cable that connects that one, so if I still want a two-deck scenario, I can still DJ with two decks. But the actual output's coming off of this. With the other deck set up, if another DJ comes along and plugs into the sound card on the back of the other deck, he can just go ahead and hit master, and then he's going to control his software, and then he can toggle over with the two-channel mixer, or if there was a four-channel mixer, there'd be a couple other channels that those outputs could go into. So you could DJ with a four-channel mixer with two guys all night playing together at the same time, or it really solved the problem with another DJ coming in, not having to play a CD to mix out of his set, and then, set up the next guy. All the other functions are pretty much the same. The loop controls, just like the NS7. It's a motor reverse and bleep switch here. Here's your motor start and stop controls. The V7 has the effects parameters right on it that'll control the effects and itch. So we have 12 effects, and this encoder knob here will allow you to select the effect, and then you push it, and then it chooses it. And then you have a parameter knob, and then a wet and dry fader. So your effects are right here, there's a tap button, and all your navigation controls are up on the right. Just like on the NS7, except it's over to the right, and then the strip search is in the middle. And then to the right you have your pitch bending and pitch range, master tempo, and right there is where you can toggle between the left and right deck in the software. And the high torque and low torque switches on the back rather than the front. There's no jacks on the front, so these could get recessed into like a DJ booth or something. And same high torque motor, just like in the NS7.
Videotape the back real quick.